On enregistre. This. This.
0 volts.
So I got the wireless module. First time trying that. Get that for my birthday. Now let's do a boom. DVR sync. Technically, it's recording. I'm gonna put my glasses here. It doesn't matter. I want it to be like here and put the DVR right there. It's windy and I need to scream, obviously, because the audio, I'll talk directly here.
0 volts.
So, hello everyone. This is like the first pack of the week. Okay, now I'm freestyling or aggressive flying to see the efficiency of this setup. That's the only thing I'm missing from these motors and these props, and so I want to make sure to see the battery life of setup like this. So I put a very small battery because it's lightweight, it's very nimble. It flies great. Now it shakes, I have no idea why, probably a propeller. PIDs should be fine because I did tune it for these props and these the voltage and the size and everything, so sorry if there's a delay between when I talk. That's a little harder to talk and fly when you fly really fast. I know I've seen some other guys that are doing the exact same thing with the DJI, and they actually do voiceover after the fact because it's really hard to do both. It flies great. To be honest, this KV, 3850 kV, is not bad. Obviously you always want more, but I consider this as a park flyer, and if I can do 16 minutes on an 853S and then like 5 minutes on higher speed, and that becomes a very versatile aircraft. Minutes 28. Getting cold, getting windy. Not really cold, I can't say it's cold, but summer is almost over. So I'm doing that test, and tonight I'll remove the motors and put another set of motor that I just got, the Brother Hobby 1404 with a
3 minutes.
With a M5 nuts for the motor instead of bolts, and it's lightweight. There's a lot of truck over there. I don't know what they're doing, but that truck is moving fast. So yeah, I don't know what they're doing. I hope they're not building houses. As you can see, the tilt is not enough. Oh no, land now? For real? Come on, bro. Let's land. 3 minutes 44. It has to be the battery, right? Because I did, yeah, like I said in my previous video, it's really the fact that I'm in open space that I can just rip full throttle. And That's the thing, right?
4 minutes.
I did this exact same flight home, at home, in my backyard, and I can do at least 5 minutes. So, yeah, my 4 minutes, so it makes sense, right? Ah! Let's put my phone. Okay. So this is the setup, right? If you were not following or did not see my previous videos, I'm flying 1404 3800 kV with the new HQ blade, which are actually really good, and I'm flying some 3S 450 milliamp. And if you put 850 on what I just did, it doesn't fly that great. The feeling is not good. The 850 is really designed for long range. Then the 450 is excellent for this. And if you're around your house, you can do 5 minutes minimum. Also, 650 is borderline okay. It's you can feel the extra weight, but it's not the end of the world. Just borderline. This is really good, and that's it. That camera will, as you can see, full tilt. It's not enough tilt, so I'm gonna change motors, and I'm gonna put another camera, the Runcam 90 Micro, like the new 14x14. I just received it, so it's gonna be a new VTX. A new camera pod, a new camera, same gear, new motors. And we'll do different tests. So that's it, a short video, because it's a racing freestyle quad. I really like it. It seems to be quite versatile. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll keep you guys updated with new tests. Thank you.